How to ship with ShipStation. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ship with ShipStation. Whether you're new to shipping or looking to streamline your process, this guide will help you get your orders out of the door efficiently. So let's dive in. Open your web browser and go to the ShipStation website. Log into your account with your credentials. If you don't already have an account yet, sign up for one. Once logged in, navigate to the ShipStation dashboard. Click on Orders in the left-hand sidebar, and this will bring up a list of your incoming orders. Browse through your orders and check the ones you want to ship. Use the check boxes next to each order to select multiple orders if needed. Click on the Create Label button and this will open the shipping setup page for the selected orders. Review the shipping details such as address, shipping method and package type. Choose a carrier and shipping service from the drop-down menus. ShipStation supports various carriers like USPS, UPS, and FedEx. Select the shipping method that best fits your needs. Options may include standard shipping, expedited, or overnight delivery. Enter package details including weight and dimensions. Make sure these are accurate to avoid any shipping issues. If needed, you can add additional services like insurance or signature confirmation. Review the costs and options to ensure they meet your requirements. Once everything is set, click on Create Label to generate your shipping labels. Print the labels using your connected printer. You can also choose to save the labels as PDFs for later use. Attach the printed labels securely to your packages. Drop off the packages at your selected carrier's location or schedule a pickup if the carrier offers this service. Return to the ShipStation dashboard. Update the status of the orders to reflect that they've been shipped. This will notify your customers and keep your records up to date. Now, for the last step, you can track your shipments. So use ShipStation's tracking features to monitor the progress of your shipments. Provide tracking information to your customers if they haven't already received it automatically. And that's it. Shipping with ShipStation is now a breeze. This powerful tool will help you manage your orders and shipping tasks more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.